In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an unsaved document in LibreOffice Writer. If you've ever lost work because the application closed unexpectedly or your computer crashed, don't panic. LibreOffice includes a built-in recovery tool that often brings your content back in just a few clicks. I'll guide you through the process and share a few helpful tips to keep your work safe going forward. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer as you normally would. If the program previously crashed or was forced to close, simply reopening it is usually enough to trigger its recovery process. On startup, LibreOffice checks for any unsaved work from your last session and prepares to restore what it can. When Writer opens, look for the document recovery window. This should appear automatically without you needing to hunt through menus. Think of it as a safety net. It scans for auto-saved snapshots of your documents and lists anything it found. You may see file names, timestamps, and a status indicating whether each item is ready to be recovered. If the recovery window doesn't appear, it typically means there's nothing to recover, or your last session ended cleanly. To proceed, click Start. LibreOffice will begin repairing and reassembling your unsaved document from the most recent auto-recovery data it stored. You might notice a brief progress bar if there are multiple items. Let the process run without closing the program or interrupting it, as that can affect the results. Once the recovery completes, click Finish. Your recovered document should open automatically in Writer. At this point, save it immediately. Use Save, or better yet, Save, as to pick a clear file name and a reliable location you'll remember. It's a good idea to skim the document right away. Because recovery relies on the last auto-saved snapshot, you may be missing your most recent few minutes of edits, depending on how frequently LibreOffice was set to autosave. If the recovered document opens in read-only mode, just use Save As to create a standard editable copy. After you've secured your file, consider a couple of quick habits to reduce risk in the future. Keep LibreOffice updated to benefit from stability improvements, choose a sensible folder for your work so you can find it quickly, and use descriptive names that include a project label or date. That's all there is to it. Open Writer, let the document recovery window appear, click Start, then Finish, and save your file right away. With this approach, you can often get back on track with minimal loss and minimal stress.